I am the first youth to join the BU youth group at St. Stephen's Episcopal in Lynn. It is an LGBT youth group. So my role in this organization is, well, I'm a member of the BU youth group, so I'm a youth member. And I've kind of been working really hard with the youth at this organization to pull off Lynn's first ever youth pride. It's not just Lynn's first youth pride, it's Lynn's first pride period. And we felt that it was really important to have a pride here at St. Stephen's to bring awareness of LGBT to the community of Lynn, to show that churches can be welcoming of LGBT, and to provide a safe, fun place for LGBT kids.
There's food, fun, like music to have fun. So I think it's cool because like we're outside, so people can see what's going on and just come and check it out. We have different tables that explain stuff, different organizations that help us to not be afraid to go out and show off who we are.